have intimacy with your child, and even when they are close to you, seem disconnected. Talk to me. Number one, if you see me a laugh off of somebody jokes who you not like, you gotta tell me say me I pretend though. If you see me I give your enemy too much praise, you gotta tell me say me I buy a friend down. Am I lying? If we just get at work and I do everything out of my portfolio, you're gonna say me I work for supervisor, raise a pay, or me I work for go on staff. True or false? Alright, simply please. So why nobody can say them disconnected from them picnic, and they are very pretentious with their birth, with them picnic. Eh? Why them can't see them very pretentious with them seed? Why? Make it make sense. But you can't see me sing yourself and I'm not being genuine. So you see when I said to Annie say, you only recognize when you're ready to be to recognize it. That is why I tell you say, Aki walk do one Zoey magi Zoey born. Remember say Zoey all no good for 14. As an adult, you're a 14-year-old, I'm supposed to live in our crutches like a crab. Yeah, can remember man I look blue and tightness. I don't know what the strangulation from body. I don't know who I do it. But you took Aki walk from his home. You took him in and you encapsulate the man in your crosses, and now he's been penalized. You see how Annie wicked? Aki walk supposed to do his part in there saying, "Didn't stay in my yard." But you see, it look like Aki walk there with Zoey from them live at Ochi. Make Aki walk could have come with you, Annie. Cause what would motivate him to leave Ochi come a Christian? Huh?
Power off.
What would? So people not doing exegesis on the argument, you know. Huh? Cause Annie is not like you have anything. If Aki walk have a vehicle, Annie, make it make sense now, my baby. If Aki walk has a vehicle and he's your daughter's personal taxi until he become yours, what would really stem or motivate him to come to you or follow behind you? It has to be your young daughter. Annie, you know what you do. What would motivate him to leave his community and pitch pan you? Nothing now makes sense, Annie. Okay, no, thank you. No, no, understand. Make it make sense. If this man know his source, why would he follow behind Annie when nothing now go on for Annie? What encouragement sweeten such labor? That's why I tell you say Annie try to play victim for true. But nobody now look on it so. What encouragement it can be said, man want kill Aki walk, or nothing now go on. You have a vehicle and you now pay your shit. You're used to your roots in your community. So what encouragement did Annie offer for Aki walk straight? That's why I tell people this every day, say if you're idiot, people sink you. Exactly. If you're idiot, people sink you. Don't be an idiot. What encouragement did you promise this young man? Because he couldn't just jump up and get up without guarantee. Make it make sense. The man can't do that. I check with if him just jump up and just vroom. And share with what encouragement? What your warranty you give pan Zoey? How much your warranty? How much your warranty you give pan the appliance? Exactly, and you knew because this don't make sense for your mother. This don't make sense for your mother. Oh God, me nah like me feel for us. Little boy begin to water. Me nah like me feel for us. My frost. Begin to water. No man anything get to me. I don't need them a wobble.